In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate AI Companion with Zoom. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can start using AI to make your meetings clearer, faster, and more productive. The only place you'll need to be is inside an active Zoom meeting. Once you're in your meeting window and ready to go, look along the meeting toolbar. You should see an option labeled AI Companion. It's usually located near other in-meeting controls. Go ahead and click that. When you click AI Companion, a panel will slide open on the right side of your call window. This is the workspace where you'll interact with the AI during your meeting. In that panel, you'll see a button that says Start AI Companion. Click Start to integrate it with your current meeting. This activates the companion so it can help in real time, using what's happening in your meeting to provide relevant assistance. Once the AI Companion is started, you can type directly into the prompt box in the panel. Think of it like a helpful co-host. You can ask it to summarize what's been discussed so far, capture key decisions, or outline action items with owners and deadlines. You can also ask it to clarify complex points, propose a brief agenda for the remainder of the call, or draft a quick follow-up message you can share after the meeting. If you joined late, ask for a concise recap of what you missed. If the conversation gets dense, request a bullet-free, plain language explanation so everyone stays aligned. For best results, keep your prompts specific. Instead of summarize, try summarize the last 5 minutes with 3 takeaways and next steps. If you're planning next actions, mention names or roles so the output is easy to apply. You can also reference time, like capture action items from the last 10 minutes, to narrow the scope. And if the meeting pace is fast, give the AI a moment to process before you send another request. You can keep the panel open while you talk, or minimize it when you don't need it and bring it back with a click. Everything you generate stays in the right panel for easy copy and paste into chat, email, or your notes. That's all there is to it. Click AI Companion. Start it in the right-hand panel, and then use clear prompts to get summaries, action items, clarifications, and quick drafts that support your conversation. Try it in your next meeting and let it handle the busy work so you can focus on the discussion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smarter Zoom calls.